In this video, I'll be focusing more on the game itself. Basically, how do you start the game? What are the various controls that are available within the game? And basically, what the game is all about. So, once you install the game from Play Store, you will have an icon like the one that you see in the top left corner of the screen. So you'll have the icon with the name Room Cube. So to start the game, click on the icon and you'll have a permission screen loaded. So now as with any other Android app, you'll have a permission screen that comes up. Now this permission screen is specific to the camera. Now since this mobile app that I have created, I have put the augmented reality part in which you can view the 3D model of the room object that I have used in the game. So basically the entire augmented reality thing is based on the camera being activated. So if on this permission screen, if I press the allow button, I will be able to use the augmented reality part. If I press the deny button, the camera will not be activated and then the augmented reality part will not work. So basically it's up to you. If you just are interested in playing the game, you can just press the deny button and the game will work fine. However, the augmented reality version of the camera will not work. So I'll just show it to you what exactly will happen if I press the deny button. So the game will load as usual. However, on the load screen you will have the Vuforia initialization error, failed to initialize Vuforia. So basically you will not be able to trigger the camera. So you will not be able to check out the augmented reality version that is part of the game. So I will just restart the game. So basically when this permission screen comes up, it's all up to you. If you want to check out the augmented reality for part of the game, press the allow button. In case if you do not want to check that feature out, you can press the deny button. So for this tutorial I will press the allow button. So the game starts loading. So you'll have the screen. As you can see, the error has gone. So basically now when I press the AR room model button, the camera on your phone will be activated. You can point the camera to the marker and then you will be able to visualize the 3D model that I have used in the game. So the entire part of the augmented reality I have explained in the first tutorial video. The link of it is in the description for anyone who wants to check that out. So this video is more about the game itself. So I'll press the go to game button. So now the game will load. So now the first screen that comes up is, do you want sound, yes or no? So if you want the sound, press the yes button. If no, press the no button. So now this is the title screen of the game. So on the title screen you just have three buttons. There's play, exit and tutorial. The play button, as the name says, it will start the game. Exit will quit the game. The tutorial button basically is just like a help feature. So on pressing the tutorial button, you will open the URL of the current video that you are watching. So for the tutorial button to work, you will need to have an internet connection on. So once your internet connection is on, you press the tutorial button, it will open up the YouTube URL in your mobile browser. On the top right hand corner you have a speaker icon, this one. So this basically is again audio control. So if I press it, the audio will turn on. If I press it once again, it will turn off. So basically it's a toggle button. So I will start the game. So basically this is how the game looks like. Now as you can see on the game, you do not have any visible pause button. So basically the pause button is in the middle of the screen, it's invisible. So just press on the middle of the screen, pause button will be activated, so the game will be paused. So to restart it, click again, it is paused, it is playing now. So basically it's an invisible button. Press in the middle of the screen, it will be activated. Press it again, the game will restart. So this is how the entire user interface is of the game. So the top section contains you have over here you have the target, and here you have the score. So basically score is how much score you are currently got in the level. So each time you pick up cubes, your score will be incremented. The target is the target score that you need to achieve to progress to the next level. Over here you have the level indication on which level you are currently on, and this side is your timer sections. So there are two parts over here. One is the level 5 time, and below that you have the current level time. So the level 5 time basically is the amount of time that you have earned that will be used in the last level. So this game consists of 5 levels with level 5 in the last. So currently I have 0 minutes 0 seconds for completing the last level. So each level that I play, the amount of time that I save will be added to this particular level 5 time variable. So basically currently in this level I have 1 minute 20 seconds left. So this is a countdown timer. So if I press the play button, you can see it counts down. So before the time runs out, I need to achieve the target score of 175 to complete the level 1. So whatever time gets left out will be added to my level 5 time. So that was the top hand section of the interface. There's one more button over here. There's a close button. You can see on X on the top right hand. If I press it, you will have a pop-up menu that appears where saying are you sure. So if you want to exit, you press the yes button. If you do not want to exit, press the no button. Then on the bottom section of the interface you have the controls. This is the controls. This is also a control. This basically first I'll feature, I'll talk more about this section. So this part will move the ball towards away from the screen. This will move towards your screen. This will move to the right side of the screen, and this will move to the left side of the screen. The middle button will just move the ball vertically up. It will not move it in any particular direction. I'll just show it to you. So it moves it forward, this moves it backwards, this to the right, this to the left, and the middle one will just move it straight up. Then you have this button over here. Now this button is basically for keeping the ball grounded. So you keep this button pressed, and then you use these buttons. So this basically make the ball to move along the ground. I'll just demonstrate that to you all. So I kept this button pressed, I move it, it will move along the ground. If I release it, the ball will just bounce around. Then there's the other button over here, one with the plus sign. This basically is like a help feature. So in case if you struggle to align the ball with the cube, you can use this. So basically it gives you like a tracker feature by which I can align myself and pick up the cubes. However, as you can see, each time I pick up the cube, I'm just getting 3 points. However, if I keep the tracker off and I played, I just run out of time, I'll just press the replay button. So as you can see, with the tracker off, I get more points than when the tracker was on. So basically the tracker is a help feature where I can align myself. I get some indication like where the ball should be aligned in order to pick up the particular cube. So this is like a help feature in case you struggle to pick up cubes. And then as you see, as you go about picking up the cubes, your score increases. It's 34 at the moment. It's become 39, and your timer is counting down, so it's 1 minute 4 seconds. Okay, so basically I just need to achieve a score to complete this level. As you can see, the timer is counting down, so once it reaches 0, the game will be over. So this is how the end game screen looks like. So you have run out of time and your current score. So now over here you have 3 buttons: replay, exit and post score. So replay button will restart the game, exit button will quit the game, and post score button basically is a Facebook integration part of the game, in which you basically, if you like the game and would like to share it with your friends, you can use a post score button. So what a score you have got in your gameplay, you can post it on your Facebook wall. So this is a feature where I will integrate it with Facebook. So once I press it, so basically you need your internet connection to be on. So I press the button, one screen will pop up over here, in which you will have a Facebook icon. You click on the Facebook icon, the Facebook login page will open on your mobile browser. You log in into Facebook, and then a share screen will appear. You press the share button. Whatever score you have got in this gameplay of yours will be posted to your Facebook wall. So I'll be having a separate video where I will be demonstrating this particular part of the game, the Facebook integration part. So that's it for this video. In the next video I will explain to you more about the scoring of the game. In each level there are different type of cubes, so I will just speak more about the scoring part, like what does cube, each level, which cube will give how many points. So that's it for this video.